Hey traders, how you doing? I'm Trader Dara, and in this video, we're going to go over the ultimate risk management strategy. With this strategy, you would never need to know anything else about risk management. To prove my point, at the end of this video, I'm going to 90 you official risk management masters. So stick to the end. Once you're done with your trading analysis and you've made your decision on your trading bias, you've gotten your entry, your stop loss, and take profit, you want to get your lot size. Lot size is very important, right? Your lot size multiplied by your stop loss is equals to how much you would lose in a trade. Your lot size multiplied by your take profits in pips is equals to how much you make in a trade. So that is just the most important thing when we talk about risk management. And you don't need to do anything so difficult, right? I'll show you guys. It's very easy. First off, go on your trading view. You know your entry, that's where you want to take the trade from. You know your stop loss, that's where you want to be invalidated if this trade is not going in your favor. All you want to do next is to find your stop loss in pips. So guys, pay close attention. Once you look down here, you see your stop loss is 8 pips. So with that information, we are going to go on a website that will do all the hard lifting for us. So on this website, it takes off all the mathematical calculations and does that for us quickly. That website is called My FX Book. So simply we'll go on Chrome and check for My FX Book. So in case you are using an Android or an iPhone and you don't have access to a laptop, you can simply use the My FX Book app on your Play Store or App Store. So just go search for My FX Book on Play Store or App Store and download it. But for those of you who are joining us from your laptop, just use myfxbook.com. And once you're on the home page, hover on the home button, go all the way down to the Forex calculator and position size calculator. With that, you'll come to this page. Once you come to this page, brethren, tap on Euro USD and make sure you select the pair which you'll be trading, which is GBP USD in this case. Insert the currency which you're using. They have a list of currency here, right? USD is the default. The account size, I'll be using a virtual $1,000 account. And for this $1,000 account, I'll be risking $10, right? Now, let me tell you guys the secret to risk management. For conservative traders, being traders who don't like taking too much losses, they want to risk 1% or 2% of the account. So 1% on low probability trades and 2% on high probability trades. Why? For the other guys, they're called aggressive traders. They risk 2% on low probability trades and 3% to 4% on high probability trades. So pick your camp, whether you want to be conservative or whether you want to be team aggressive. You now know what to use depending on the type of trade. With that said, let's just use team conservative and let's risk 1%, right? For a low probability trade. So in case you want to risk in dollar amounts, you can just tap here and swap with money. And once you swap with money, you can risk, let's say $10, which is just 1% as well, like the previous trade. Next stuff you want to do is to set your stop loss. If you recall from the trade analysis which we made on GBP USD, it was 8 pips. So we just put that there. For this trade lot size, don't fiddle with it, leave it as it is. Just tap on calculate and the lot size comes up, which is 0.13, right? Which is 13 micro lots. With this, guys, if we were to hit stop loss on our trade, it means we're going to lose just $10 and nothing more on our account. So if we're to be a bit more aggressive and we're using $20 on our trade, we tap calculate, you get to see the lot size is 0.25 lots. And that means if this trade was to hit stop loss, right? It means we're losing just $20, guys, $20. And as you can see here, that is 2% of our account. So it means our account will go from $1,000 to $980. Guys, that is it. That is risk management. You've been hearing of. That is how to do it properly. That's all. Now you need to do this consistently every day. Every day you take a trade, you need to be doing this. And with that, you become a risk management expert. So I knight you as risk management experts. Now you know what to do with your entry, your stop loss, and your TP, and how to get the proper lot size to use on each trade. Let me talk about something else, right? So I have a group where I share my trades. It's called Tradadera Signals. So if you go on Telegram, search for Tradadera Signals, you'll see it. But you can also see it in the description of this video. So make sure you check there and join it. Now, in case you want to learn how to trade, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp and we would work with you and help you to become a profitable trader. If you also want to get my premium signals, you can also reach out to me to add you up to the premium group. So this were the trades called out today in Tradadera Signals. So don't miss out on all those fire trades. Lastly, if this video has been any helpful to you, do well to smash the subscribe button, smash that notification button, so you would always be updated on new trades, new posts, new methodologies on how you can stay profitable. Take care and Tradadera.